him Jingleheimer Schmidt. His name is my name, too.
Oops. Oops.
Don't let a little oops become a big one. Clip new Tempo dry wipes to your visor. They're 4-ply strong for all of life's little oopses. So, wherever you go, take Tempo. New Tempo dry wipes are versatile enough to handle almost anything. They're more convenient than paper towels and napkins and stronger than tissues, especially when wet. On your visor, ready for anything. Wherever you go, take Tempo.
We took the taste of fresh baked apple pie.
May I?
Thank you. And put it in Quaker baked apple oatmeal. Oatmeal so good, you might wonder where we got the recipe.
Hey, Amy. New SUV?
Yeah, it's my new Sportage. I got it at Kia's September clearance event.
Yeah, well, it's no Toyota RAV4. I got lots of cargo space.
Yeah, me too.
4-wheel drive.
Yeah?
5-year warranty?
No.
Oh, well.
10-year warranty. And I got $2,500 cash back, which means I paid about $3 grand less than you.
Oh!
Get amazing deals on 2001 models during Kia's September clearance event. Hurry, event ends October 1st.
Roadside assistance?
5 years.
Great.
The Meal on the Go bar from Slim Fast. Balanced nutrition designed to help you manage your weight and your life.
Okay, Max. I'd like to make everybody a good dinner tonight. What? You have an idea. Chicken. That'd be really good.
Introducing our newest chicken helper, home-style chicken and mashed potatoes. Smothered in a rich, savory gravy, it's a home-cooked meal your family will love.
It's really good.
Thank you.
New home-style chicken and mashed potatoes from Chicken Helper, helping you make a great meal tonight.